Welcome to June 28th LeetCode Challenge. Remove all adjacent duplicates in string. You're given a string S consisting of a lowercase English letter. A duplicate removal consists of choosing two adjacent and equal letters and removing them. We repeatedly make duplicates removals on S until we no longer can. Return the final string after all the duplicates removals have been made. It can be proven that the answer is unique. So what we have here as an example, see we have an string S here. We have this series of characters. So we want to keep on removing duplicates that are adjacent to each other. So for instance, BB, that's the same letter and they're adjacent to each other and they're duplicates. Remove that. Actually, I'll just copy this here. So after we remove BB, we get AAC. And then now we're remaining with AA, which are adjacent and duplicates of each other, the same character. So after we remove that, we get CA. So then we're left with returning CA as our final answer because we removed B, which are duplicates, and then we get the two A and gets together, and then we get AA, then we get C. And CA is our output. Likewise here, we remove X, then we're left with the two Z's next together, and then we get our concatenations of A and Y. So we can see that the length is very long. The hint says to use a stack to process everything in a greedily fashion. That's the approach we're going to take. Alright, let's develop a stack here. I'll just move this up. So to remove duplicate string, let's develop a stack. So let's call it stack equals, there we go. So for each character in the string S, what we're going to do is if the stack is not empty and the stack at the -1 position equals the character that we're searching for, what we're going to do is pop off the stack. So stack.pop. So this is just cycling through each element here, saying the first time for each character in the string, if the stack is not empty, then we're just gonna pop off the element. So it's pretty much of the last item is a C. Else, what we're gonna do? We're gonna have to append append the character. Stack.append the character. And then lastly, we want to return. We want to return all the letters that are not adjacent to each other. So everything remaining. So you want to use the string join method here with our stack. So joining each letter in our each character in our stack so that they're not duplicate. All right, let's run this and see how it goes. Finished. Submit. Alright, accepted. So that was pretty fun. So we developed a stack here for each character in the string. And the stack's not empty, and the last character is equal to C. We're gonna pop it off, right? Because we don't want it to be a what's called duplicate. Else, we're just gonna add the character to our stack. And we repeat this process for each character, and then we just print out the stack as it is, and joining each character. Time complexity will be big O of n where n is the length of the string S, and the space complexity is n minus n. So the size of the stack would be n at max, but we do subtract the duplicates from it, so it'll be technically n minus the duplicates, but we'll call big O of n for space complexity. Alright, have a nice day.